Hey, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw Jack Skellington. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to this drawing, let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step to making our Jack Skellington, we're going to begin by making one big circle right in the middle of the page. So I used a lid to make a perfect circle. If you want to grab something similar, you can do this as well. If you decide to use a lid, you want to be a little bit careful because if you mark up the edges, you might make someone a little bit mad. And we're almost done. Awesome job of making that perfect circle for Jack Skellington. Now on the left hand side, we're going to begin to make the first part of Jack Skellington's collar. So this is going to consist of 3 sharp like edges. Now directly below that big circle that we have previously made, we're going to begin to make 2 small parallel lines. This will be the neck for Jack Skellington. Now let's move on over to the right hand side and we're going to begin to make the right side of the collar. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make a heart-like shape on the bottom of the neck for Jack Skellington. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the left arm and hand for Jack Skellington. Now keep in mind, his hand is going to be very small. Now we're going to make one small line connecting the armpit to the arm. That looks great. Now let's move a little bit over to the right and let's make the second arm. Now once we have that second arm completed, we're going to begin to finish the torso for Jack Skellington. Now down below the torso, we're going to begin to make the legs. So the legs will look similar to rectangles. On the bottom of those rectangles that we have just made, we're going to make 2 small feet, one on each side. Now on the left and right hand side, we're going to make something that will look similar to a cape. Now we're going to try to match the right side as best as we can to the left hand side. Whoa, that almost looks like a Christmas tree. So now we're going to move into that big circle that we have previously made. So we're going to begin to make one big line going from left to right. This will be the mouth of Jack Skellington. Now along that long line that we just made, we're going to begin to add small dashes and X-like shapes. This will make Jack Skellington's mouth appear to look like barbed wire. Now we're going to move up above where we will begin to make two big circles for the eyes. Now for the nose, we're going to make two small shapes that will look like a teardrop. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our Jack Skellington.